Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol has submitted a 10-point memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the ongoing conflict in Manipur. The memorandum highlights new war tactics employed by Kuki militants, including drone bombings and rocket attacks observed since September the 1st. It also emphasizes the plight of around 60,000 displaced individuals currently living in relief camps. Dr. Akoijam called for more decisive involvement from the central government, especially considering Manipur's historical merger with the Indian Union. The memorandum further outlines potential solutions that India could implement to resolve the conflict, including the need for more effective and sincere actions by the security forces.